Hi, I'm Angel Nightingale. Welcome to my channel. Dive into a world of diverse content that enriches your mind and soul. Discover the benefits of herbs and spices, explore mini episodes for adults tackling real-life situations, and enjoy kids' stories and educational videos for all ages. Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature with videos on animals and waterfalls and learn tips for skin and hair health. Plus, enjoy a variety of music to soothe your soul. Join our community and experience the magic of learning, nature, and wellness. Subscribe now and never miss an update.
Coconut lemon ice cream cake. I developed this cool treat because I wanted to find a new use for cream of coconut. The sweet coconut combines beautifully with the tart lemon juice, and the streusel adds a nice crunch. Look for cream of coconut in the cocktail mixer section of your grocery store. Ingredients: 1 package 11.2 ounces, shortbread cookies, half a cup sweetened shredded coconut, toasted, 1/4 cup macadamia nuts, coarsely chopped and toasted, 1 teaspoon grated lemon zest, 1 can 15 ounces, cream of coconut, half a cup lemon juice, 1.5 quarts vanilla ice cream softened, 1 carton 8 ounces, frozen whipped topping thawed divided. Optional: fresh blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Directions: reserve 10 cookies for decoration. Crush remaining cookies, transfer to a bowl. Stir in coconut, macadamia nuts, and lemon zest. Reserve 2 tablespoons crumb mixture for topping. In a large bowl, whisk cream of coconut and lemon juice until combined. Stir in softened ice cream until smooth. Fold in 1 cup whipped topping. Sprinkle 1 cup crumb mixture onto bottom of a greased 9 inches springform pan. Top with half the ice cream mixture. Layer with remaining crumbs and ice cream mixture. Place reserved whole cookies around edge of pan. Top with remaining 2.5 cups whipped topping. Sprinkle with reserved 2 tablespoons crumb mixture. Freeze covered until firm at least 8 hours or overnight. If desired, serve with berries. Cookies and cream Rice Krispies treats. If you think a classic Rice Krispies treat is the perfect dessert, just wait until you've tried this chocolate-wide twist. Here, we've swapped generous chunks of Oreos for a portion of the cereal, guaranteeing crunchy cookie bits in every bite. A delicate white chocolate drizzle on top acts as a nod to an Oreo sweet vanilla cream center. We opted to make our treats with a pack of classic Oreos, but there are endless varieties of the sandwich cookies to choose from. Try red velvet Oreos for Valentine's Day, golden Oreos if you're not a fan of chocolate, or the always popular double stuff for extra cream. Ingredients: 2 cups chocolate sandwich cookies such as Oreos about 18, 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 10-ounce package mini marshmallows about 4 cups, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. For cups Rice Crisp cereal such as Rice Krispies, half a cup white chocolate chips. Instructions: line an 8x8-inch baking pan with a parchment paper sling, leaving several inches of overhang on 2 sides. Coarsely crush 2 cups chocolate sandwich cookies. Melt 6 tablespoons unsalted butter in a large saucepan over medium-low heat. Stir in 1 10-ounce package mini marshmallows, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt until melted. Turn off the heat. Gently fold in 4 cups Rice Crisp cereal and the crushed cookies until completely coated with the marshmallow mixture. Transfer the mixture to the prepared pan and press into an even layer. Microwave half a cup white chocolate chips in 15 seconds bursts until melted, stirring after each burst. Transfer the chocolate to a zip-top bag and squeeze into 1 corner. Cut 1 small corner of the bag. Then drizzle the chocolate over the treats. Let cool 1 hour before cutting into 16 squares.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on the best contents. Have a beautiful and blessed day to each and everyone.